Hi guys, my name is Wumi and welcome back to my channel guys. Now in today's video we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going out there into the world and we're going to be spending £10 for the week guys. So this is basically the £10 challenge that we're going to be tackling it today. And with that being said guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I decided on going to Aldi because it's one of the cheapest supermarkets here in the UK. So right here I'm just placing a £1 coin to unlock the trolley and I'm about to start shopping guys.
Mad vibe. She dey give me vibe. Mad vibe. She dey give me joy. Mad vibe. She dey give me vibe. Mad vibe. She dey give me joy. Folake do they do. Tinuke do they do. The things what you dey do. Basira do they do. Oh no. Folake do they do. Tinuke do they do. The things what you dey do. Basira do they do. Fine girl, I'm feeling your vibe though. Shake, baby, come and ride me. I love the way you whine, baby girl, it just they shock me. The don't be biting, it just they eye me. Baby girl, whine me. I know you love a fresh but now why you just they shake am. Oh, one leg, baby girl, you feel big and whoa. I will take you all around the world. I will buy you gift, everything that you want. Don't go fear, baby girl, now you me I want. I will buy you pants, you don't need to the walk. I will buy you pants, you don't need to the walk. You are too fine, you deserve an award. I'm too fine, Joe, why mole me? I love the way you smile, baby, come and give me. This is body part, baby, come and give me, yeah. Folake do they do, Tinuke do they do. This is what you they do, Basira do they do. Oh no, Folake do they do, Tinuke do they do. This is what you they do, Basira do they do. Oh no, baby girl, now you me I want. Talk to the form, money, yeah, my shako. All eyes on me like super shako. Why you dey form your pick on my call? Very low Basira, took us to the cinema. All the fine girls chase me, they want to fuck me now. Why you on the door, baby girl, come and give me now. This your paka pick, no be lie, you dey freak me now. You dey freak me now, I swear, you dey freak me my baby, come around, let me kiss you, I will buy you car. Baby, yeah, my doll, in the bad, I will treat you right. Anything you want, I'll buy, I will give you out. I really love your way, baby girl, you are fine, though. See your smooth skin, see your eyes, see your thighs, though. If you come my way, I promise me, I no go let go. I love you, baby, to the core, and me, I no go let go. Folake do they do, Tinuke do they do. The things what you they do, Basira do they do. Oh no, Folake do they do, Tinuke do they do. The things what you they do, Basira do they do. Oh no. Shamo. Suck it, nigga.
Okay guys, so right now I'm back from the grocery store and guys, can you imagine I just spent £9.77. So I have a few change with me guys, which is so good. This is so amazing. And right now I'm just showing you what I got. So I got bread and some mixed peppers. Well, I didn't get one that had like red pepper in it. I would have preferred that, but this is what I could get. So I'm just going to make do with this. I also got baked beans and hot dog. The baked beans will be really good for breakfast, and I also got eggs. So I plan on using the baked beans, eggs, and my bread for my breakfast. This will make a really good English breakfast, even though it's going to be incomplete, but at least an acceptable English breakfast. Okay guys, yeah, I also have my sardines over here, which is really good. I love me some fish. I love that. I got rice, and I also got pasta sauce, some bolognese sauce, which is so good. This is my first time trying it, so I hope it's actually going to be good. I got spaghetti to go with that. And if you guys can remember in the previous clip, I picked yogurt, so I put that upstairs in my fridge. So I'm going to have my yogurt as like a little bit of snack or something. I love snacking on things, so that yogurt is going to be really helpful for me. I also got tomato puree. I don't know what I'll do with that yet, but I'll figure it out while I'm cooking. And the most important thing for me right now is this massive chicken. It's not that massive, but it's massive enough for this challenge. So that's all I got, guys. Everything is under £9.77. Let's get cooking.
Baby girl, say you too fine. Really make me wanna go that way. Baby girl, say you too fine. Really wanna make me go that way. Baby girl, say you too fine. Really wanna make me go that way. Baby girl, say you too fine. Really wanna make me go that way.
Baby girl, you are so fine. Bring that ass here, put it down on my sofa. Together, stay strong. Baby girl, we will go far. See that smooth skin, baby girl, you are so fine. I love it when you smile, baby girl, it is so fine. Till the end of time, I will love you, I will wife you. Anything you want, just the mom, I go buy it you. See that small lips, baby girl, I go buy it you. Really, in my mind, they are nice, no be lie. Don't think about you, only you, girl, I promise. Don't go do me wrong, baby girl, no go forfeit. Just a lie, girl, our love is the real thing. Cherish you, baby, I treat you right, girl, stand by you. I will never leave you lonely. You're my G, my love, you're my own me. I love the way you smile, now this love me, I owe you. Hey.
Baby girl, say you too fine. Really make me
Okay, guys, so I separated the chicken breast because I plan on using it for something else. And can we just make this fun? Can you guys guess in the comment section what I plan on doing with this chicken breast? Just put it down in the comment section. Let's see who would win, who would be the first person to guess it right. Okay, guys, so right now I'm just slicing and dicing this chicken breast. I'm not an expert here. I'm doing whatever feels comfortable for me. Okay, guys, I'm also playing with my chicken a little because it feels so nice. Yeah, so that's what I'm just doing. I'm trying to cut it into like cubes so that it will be easy for me to work with.
Suck yeah, nigga. Mad vibe. She dey give me vibe. Mad vibe. She dey give me joy. Mad vibe. She dey give me vibe. Mad vibe. She dey give me joy. Oh. Folake do they do. Tinuke do they do. The things what you dey do. Basira do they do. Oh no no. Folake do they do. Tinuke do they do. The things what you dey do. Basira do they do. Oh no no. Fine girl, I'm feeling your vibe though. Shake, yeah, baby, come and ride me. I love the way you whine, baby girl, it just they shock me. The toes be biting, it just they eye me. Baby girl, why me? I know you love a fresh, but now why you just they shake am? Oh, one leg, baby girl, you feel big and whoop. I will take you all around the world. I will buy you gift, everything that you want. Don't go fear, baby girl, now you me I want. I will buy you best, you don't need to the walk. I will buy you best, you don't need to the walk. You are too fine, you deserve an award. I'm auto fine, Joe, why mole me? I love the way you smile, baby, come and give me. This a body part, baby, come and give me, yeah. Folake do they do, Tinuke do they do. This what you they do, Basira do they do. Oh no no, Folake do they do, Tinuke do they do. This what you they do, Basira do they do. Oh no no, baby girl, now you me I want. Top to the form, money yeah, my shako. All eyes on me like super shako. Why you dey form your pick on my call? Very low Basira, took her to the cinema. All the fine girls chase me, they want to fuck me now. Why you on the door, baby girl, come and give me now. This your paka pick, no be lie, you dey freak me now. You dey freak me now, I swear, you dey freak me my baby, come around, let me kiss you, I will buy you car. Baby, yeah, my doll, in the bad, I will treat you right. Anything you want, I'll buy, I will give you out. I really love your way, baby girl, you are fine, though. See your smooth skin, see your eyes, see your thighs, though. If you come my way, I promise me, I no go let go. I love you, baby, to the core, and me, I no go let go. Folake do they do, Tinuke do they do. The things what you they do, Basira do they do. Oh no no, Folake do they do, Tinuke do they do. The things what you they do, Basira do they do. Oh no no. Shama. Suck it, nigga. Shama. It's okay, nigga. Yeah. This is a special song, but that special song, you feeling me right? Baby girl, you're so fine.
Okay guys, so after I sauteed my veggies, I mixed it with my spaghetti. And let me just tell you guys why I didn't add any seasoning to the veggies that I sauteed was because I did that with salted butter. Okay guys, so I didn't see any need to add anything else to it. And this is the finished product, guys. All this. Okay guys, so I decided to split my chicken into two parts. So the first part of it, I oven grilled it, and the other part I plan on making pepper soup with this, and that's what you're seeing right now.
It takes two just to tango. Anything I say, baby girl, I know the fumble. Feeling your smile, me, I'm loving this your angle. Baby, be my wife, let us walk down the altar. I'm gonna treat you right, I will never let you suffer. Protect you, love you, my heart, you don't conquer. Future so bright, baby girl, we go prosper. Forget the side talks, baby girl, you are super. I never do you wrong, no be lie, it's a promise. I love you from my heart, no be joke, you're the real deal. See that mansion, I will buy you that big thing. Walk you down the house in my vows and I kiss you. Make me babies, my sweet, sweet baby. You're darling angel, you're my lady. I love you when you smile, when you laugh, and you kiss me. I love you to the moon, baby girl, I'm the real deal. Yeah.
Hey, baby girl, say you too fine. Eh. Really make me wanna go that way. Baby girl, say you too fine. Eh. Really wanna make me go that way. Baby girl, say you too fine. Eh. Really wanna make me go that way. Baby girl, say you too fine. Eh. You really wanna make me go that way.
Baby girl, you are so fine. Bring that ass here, put it down on my sofa. Together, stay strong. Baby girl, we will go far. See that smooth skin, baby girl, you are so fine. I love it when you smile. Baby girl, it is so fine. Till the end of time, I will love you, I will wife you. Anything you want, just the mom, I go buy it you. See that small lips, baby girl, I go buy it you. Really, in my mind, they are nice, no be lie. Don't think about you, only you, girl, I promise. Don't go do me wrong, baby girl, no go forfeit. Just a like, girl, our love is the real thing. Cherish you, baby, I treat you right, girl, stand by you. I will never leave you lonely. You're my G, my love, you're my homie. I love the way you smile, now this love me, I owe you. Hey.
Baby girl, say you too fine. Eh. Really make me wanna go that way. Baby girl, say you too fine. Eh. Really wanna make me go that way. Baby girl, say you too fine. Eh. Really wanna make me go that way. Baby girl, say you too fine. Eh. Really wanna make me go that way.
You are so fine. Baby girl, don't be lie, you are so fine. Yeah. You are so fine. Baby girl, don't be lie, you are so fine. Suck nigga. Mashama. Bloody baby. I love you, baby girl. Suck nigga. Suck yeah, nigga. Mad vibe. She dey give me vibe. Mad vibe. She dey give me joy. Mad vibe. She dey give me vibe. Mad vibe. She dey give me joy. Yo. Folake do the do. Tinuke do the do. The things what you dey do. Basira do the do. Oh no no. Folake do the do. Tinuke do the do. The things what you dey do. Basira do the do. Oh no no. Fine girl, I'm feeling your vibe though. Wobo shake, baby come and ride me. I love the way you whine, baby girl, it just dey shock me. The toe be biting, it just dey eye me. Baby girl, why me? I know you love it fresh, but now why you just dey shake am? Oh, one leg, baby girl, you feel big and
Okay guys, so this is basically what I got from my meal prep. I have like a huge container filled with rice. I can also split that into 2 or 3 more containers if I want to. And I also have like spaghettis over there, and I have my sauce, my pepper soup, and my grilled chicken on one side. Okay guys, so that's basically what I meal prepped with what I add, and I feel like this is absolutely enough for me. I don't eat that much. And I also have my breakfast things on the other end of my kitchen. So I have my bread and my eggs, my baked beans. You know, I can't meal prep breakfast because it wouldn't be fresh, so I just basically left that aside. So every morning I can just do this, and yeah, meal prep basically. And I still have my yogurt in the fridge, let's not forget about that. And I think that's basically all for this is a really sustainable diet. That is good. Okay, so I'm very diet. Moving on.
Swear they fit me, my baby, come around, let me kiss you, I will buy you car. Baby, you're my doll, in the bad, I will treat you right. Anything you want, I'll buy, I will give you out. I really love your way, baby girl, you are fine, though. See your smooth skin, see your eyes, see your thighs, though. If you come my way, I promise me, I no go let's go. I love you, baby, to the core, and me, I no go let go.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you like content like this, do make sure you give me a thumbs up and let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.